Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Roblox has failed to create directory error 3. So there are 3 steps to solve this error. You have to just follow the same. So first of all you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for percentage local app data percentage and then click OK. So once you're done, you have to just find here an option of the temp. You have to just open this folder and then search here for the Roblox. So once you find the Roblox, you have to just right click and then click on the delete. Once you delete, it will clear the cache of the Roblox. Don't worry, it will not cause any problem. So let's move to our second step. You have to just again open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and again search for the percentage local app data percentage. So now this time you have to just find here the folder of the Roblox. When you find, you have to just double click to open it, and here you have to just create a new folder and give this folder a name of downloads. It is the most important step to give this folder the downloads name. After doing so, you have to just close this window. Now let me explain the third step, which is the most basic step to solve this error. Basically, you have to just right click on your Roblox and then click on run as an administrator. So once you follow these all steps one by one, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.